In a world where information travels at the speed of light and breaking news is just a tap away, the global community has grown accustomed to instant answers. Every day, millions of people turn to their screens, hungry for the latest updates from every corner of the planet and beyond. Yet, sometimes, the most important stories are the ones shrouded in silence. NASA's silence about a set of mysterious images has become deafening, echoing through newsrooms, social media feeds, and living rooms around the world. The agency, known for its transparency and spirit of discovery, now finds itself at the center of a growing storm of questions. For over 2 months, NASA has withheld a series of photographs of 3I Atlas, a rare, interstellar object that was captured by the powerful lens of the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. These are not just any images. They could hold clues to the origins of our solar system, or even hint at phenomena we have yet to imagine. The scientific community is abuzz with speculation, and the world's curiosity has never been higher. The public's anticipation has turned to suspicion, as days turn into weeks with no answers. Hashtags like "Jubin Release," the 8LAS photos have surged across social media platforms, uniting people from all walks of life in a single, urgent demand for transparency. Online forums and comment sections are filled with theories, some wild, some plausible, but all fueled by the same burning question: what is NASA hiding? Amateur astronomers, driven by passion and curiosity, have taken to their backyards and rooftops, scanning the night sky for any sign of the elusive object. Their telescopes and cameras are pointed skyward, hoping to catch a glimpse of what NASA's advanced instruments have already seen. For many, this has become a personal quest, a search for truth in the vastness of space. This isn't just a scientific story, it's a test of public trust in the very institutions meant to explore, explain, and share the wonders of the universe. Scientists debate the implications behind closed doors, while the public waits outside, anxious and concerned. The gap between discovery and disclosure has never felt wider. The high-rise camera aboard the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, renowned for its ability to capture the finest details of distant worlds, recorded unprecedented data of 3I Atlas. Yet those precious pixels remain locked away, hidden from the eyes of scientists and the public alike. This secrecy has ignited a firestorm of debate, conspiracy theories, and heated arguments at conferences and online forums. As theories swirl and the world's imagination runs wild, one thing is clear: humanity is waiting. Waiting for answers, for truth, and for a glimpse into the unknown. What did NASA see in the depths of space? And why, after all this time, are we still being kept in the dark? 3I Atlas is the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system, a true cosmic messenger, carrying secrets from the vastness beyond our sun. Unlike the countless asteroids and comets that orbit our star, 3I Atlas comes from another solar system entirely, making its journey a rare and extraordinary event in the history of astronomy. Discovered by Hawaii's Atlas system, a network of telescopes designed to spot dangerous asteroids, this object offers scientists a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to study material that originated around a distant star. The Atlas team's vigilance paid off, as they were the first to spot this mysterious traveler, setting off a global race to observe and understand it. But from the very beginning, 3I Atlas has behaved in ways that have puzzled astronomers. Its jet structures, which spew material into space, and its unpredictable, erratic trajectory defy the simple explanations that usually apply to comets or asteroids. These strange features have sparked intense debate and curiosity within the scientific community. Is it a bizarre comet, unlike any we've seen before, or could it be something even more extraordinary? Perhaps an artifact of alien technology, sent intentionally or by accident across the stars. The possibility, however remote, has fueled speculation and excitement around the world. Our first interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, left us with more questions than answers. Its strange shape and unexplained acceleration challenged our understanding of what's possible in space. Now, with 3I Atlas, we have a second chance to unlock the mysteries of interstellar objects and perhaps learn more about the building blocks of other solar systems. NASA's high-rise camera, orbiting Mars, was perfectly positioned to capture detailed images of 3I Atlas as it passed by. These images, still withheld from the public, could be among the most important ever taken, potentially revealing the object's structure, composition, and origins in unprecedented detail. The world's frustration grows as these crucial photos remain out of reach. Scientists and the public alike are eager for answers, knowing that these images could finally reveal whether 3I Atlas is a natural wanderer or something artificial, evidence of technology from another civilization. The stakes are nothing less than rewriting what we know about our place in the universe. Each new discovery about 3I Atlas could reshape our understanding of how life and matter travel between the stars, and whether we are truly alone in the cosmos. Capturing 3I Atlas was a feat of precision. High-rise, designed for Mars, was aimed at a fleeting interstellar visitor. In October 2025, as 3I Atlas passed near Mars, the orbiter snapped a series of images, offering our sharpest look yet at an object from another star. The hope to resolve its shape, composition, and whether it's a single body or a cluster. These images could settle the debate, comet or something else entirely. But after the data reached NASA, the usual quick release never came. Instead, the world was left waiting as the most detailed images ever of an interstellar object remained hidden. Each day of silence feels like a missed opportunity for a discovery that could change everything. Optimism turned to frustration as weeks passed with no images. NASA blamed a government shutdown, but the excuse wore thin after normal operations resumed. The turning point, Dr. Avi Loeb publicly questioned the delay, igniting global media attention and calls for transparency. NASA's vague statement about calibration and validation only fueled suspicion. Experts noted that such a long delay was unprecedented for high-rise data. The controversy has grown beyond astronomy, becoming a debate about government accountability and the public's right to know. The images remain locked away, deepening the rift between NASA and the people it serves. The world demands answers, not more silence. The uproar reached Washington with Congresswoman Anna Paulina Luna demanding NASA release the 3I Atlas data. Her call sparked bipartisan pressure and talk of an official inquiry. Lawmakers argued that NASA's discoveries belong to the public, not to bureaucrats. Acting Administrator Sean Duffy now faces mounting demands for transparency, with NASA's credibility and future funding on the line. The controversy has international implications, straining trust with global partners who expect openness. If NASA withholds data of such importance, what does it mean for future collaboration? The agency's decision could set a precedent that ripples through the world of science. The stakes are higher than ever. The 3I Atlas controversy has split the scientific community. Dr. Avi Loeb and others demand immediate data release, arguing that open science is the only path to truth. Traditionalists urge caution, fearing premature release could fuel wild speculation and damage astronomy's credibility. This isn't just about one object, it's a clash between open data advocates and those who favor careful peer-reviewed analysis. The debate echoes the unresolved questions around Oumuamua, with careers and reputations on the line. The withheld images have become a battleground for the future of scientific inquiry. Will science move toward openness or retreat into caution? The answer may shape research culture for years to come. The anxiety over 3I Atlas is rooted in the unsolved mystery of Oumuamua, our first interstellar visitor. Oumuamua's strange acceleration and lack of a visible tail defied explanation, sparking theories from nitrogen icebergs to alien probes. By the time its oddities were noticed, it was already gone, leaving scientists with too little data and too many questions. The lesson: be ready to capture and share data quickly. 3I Atlas was our second chance with the right instruments in place. But now, the delay feels like history repeating. This time, the failure is bureaucratic, not technological. The world remembers the missed opportunity of Oumuamua. Will we let secrecy rob us of answers again? NASA's secrecy is eroding its greatest asset, public trust. For decades, the agency's openness inspired awe and confidence. Now, suspicion and conspiracy fill the void. When data is withheld, it stifles independent analysis and slows discovery, sidelining young scientists and global collaborators. The damage isn't just to NASA, but to the very idea of science as a shared human endeavor. The longer the images remain hidden, the more the narrative shifts from discovery to distrust. The cost is measured in lost opportunities, delayed breakthroughs, and a wounded spirit of exploration. The 3I Atlas photos are more than data, they're a symbol of transparency. Releasing them could restore faith. Keeping them secret deepens the wound. As 3I Atlas nears Earth, the world's eyes are on NASA. The anticipation is electric. Across continents, people are glued to their screens, waiting for answers. Scientists, students, and everyday citizens alike are united by a single question: what will we learn from this unprecedented visitor from the stars? The sense of global curiosity is palpable, and the responsibility on NASA's shoulders has never felt greater. The solution is clear: release the high-rise images, both raw and calibrated, to scientists and the public alike. By making this data freely available, NASA can empower researchers everywhere to analyze, interpret, and debate the findings. Open access would allow independent verification, foster collaboration, and ensure that no single narrative dominates the story of 3I Atlas. It's a chance to let the data speak for itself, and to invite the world to participate in the process of discovery. This act would end speculation, rebuild trust, and turn controversy into a celebration of discovery. Instead of fueling rumors or doubts, transparency would transform skepticism into excitement. Scientists could work together across borders, and the public could witness the unfolding of science in real time. The release of the images would be a powerful gesture, one that says science belongs to everyone. It's a chance to engage millions in real-time science and set a new standard for openness. Imagine classrooms buzzing with discussion, families gathering to watch history unfold, and young minds inspired to pursue science. By opening the doors to discovery, NASA can ignite a passion for exploration that spans generations and borders. NASA must reform its data policies for the future. Rapid, open access should be the norm for publicly funded research. The world's investment in space exploration deserves a return in the form of knowledge shared freely and quickly. By embracing transparency, NASA can lead by example and inspire other institutions to follow suit. The legacy of 3I Atlas depends on what happens next. Will it be remembered as a cover-up or as the moment that ushered in a new era of transparency? The choice is pivotal. This is more than a single event. It's a turning point that could define how science is shared and trusted for years to come. The world is watching, hoping for a sign that our quest for knowledge remains open to all, under one sky. In this moment, we have the opportunity to show that science thrives in the light of openness, and that the mysteries of the universe belong to everyone willing to look up and wonder.